What to eat when preparing for a baby. When preparing for a baby, whether you're actively trying to conceive or planning for a healthy pregnancy, the food you eat plays a crucial role in supporting both your fertility and overall health. Nutrition is key to creating a nourishing environment for conception and ensuring a healthy pregnancy. Folate-rich foods. Why folate, the natural form of folic acid, is essential for early fetal development, particularly in preventing neural tube defects like spina bifida. It also supports DNA synthesis and cell division, which are crucial during pregnancy. Sources: leafy greens, spinach, kale, fortified cereals, beans and lentils, asparagus, citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, avocados. Lean protein. Why? Protein is vital for tissue growth, hormone production, and immune function. It's especially important for developing the tissues and organs of your baby. Sources: lean meats, chicken, turkey, fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, which is also rich in omega-3s, eggs, plant-based proteins, tofu, lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, dairy, Greek yogurt, cheese, omega-3 fatty acids. Why? Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, are important for brain development and eye health in babies. They also help regulate hormones and may reduce inflammation. Sources: fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, algal oil supplements, if you're vegetarian or vegan, whole grains. Why? Whole grains provide a steady source of energy and are rich in fiber, which helps maintain digestive health. They also support balanced blood sugar levels and help reduce the risk of gestational diabetes later on. Sources: brown rice, quinoa, oats, whole wheat bread, barley, buckwheat dairy, or dairy alternatives. Why? Dairy products are rich in calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for developing your baby's bones and teeth. If you're lactose intolerant or avoid dairy, look for fortified alternatives. Sources: milk, yogurt, and cheese, or fortified non-dairy alternatives like almond milk, soy milk, and coconut yogurt. Fortified plant-based milks, dark leafy greens, also good sources of calcium. Tofu, iron-rich foods. Why? Iron is necessary for making hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to your cells and those of your baby. Low iron levels can lead to anemia, making you feel fatigued and increasing the risk of complications. Sources: lean red meat, grass-fed beef, poultry, chicken, turkey, dark leafy greens, spinach, Swiss chard, beans and lentils, fortified cereals, pumpkin seeds, iron-fortified foods. Tip: pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C, like citrus fruits, bell peppers, or broccoli, to enhance iron absorption. Vitamin D-rich foods. Why? Vitamin D helps with the absorption of calcium and supports immune function. It also plays a role in regulating hormones that affect fertility. Sources: fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, fortified milk and cereals, egg yolks, mushrooms, exposed to sunlight, vitamin D supplements, if needed. Antioxidant-rich foods. Why? Antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative damage, which can affect fertility and overall health. They also support egg and sperm quality. Sources: berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, nuts, especially walnuts, almonds, green tea, colorful vegetables, red bell peppers, carrots, tomatoes. Water. Why? Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health. Proper hydration supports digestion, circulation, and the transport of nutrients to your cells. It's also essential for hormonal balance and preparing your body for a healthy pregnancy. How much? Aim to drink at least 8 cups, 64 ounces of water a day. More if you're physically active or in hot climates. Foods rich in zinc. Why? Zinc is important for immune function, hormone regulation, and cell division. It also plays a significant role in fertility. Sources: oysters, highest in zinc, red meat, poultry, beans and lentils, nuts and seeds, especially pumpkin seeds. Foods rich in iodine. Why? Iodine is essential for thyroid function and the production of thyroid hormones, which help regulate metabolism and ensure proper fetal development. Sources: O seaweed, kelp, nori, dulse, O fish and shellfish, O iodized salt. What to avoid when preparing for a baby. Processed foods, high in sugars, unhealthy fats, and additives, which can affect hormonal balance and overall fertility. Alcohol can impact fertility in both men and women and pose risks to a developing fetus. Excessive caffeine. While moderate caffeine intake is generally considered safe, excessive amounts, over 200 milligrams per day, can reduce fertility and increase the risk of miscarriage. High mercury fish, such as swordfish, shark, and king mackerel, which can negatively affect fetal development. Sample fertility boosting meal plan day 1. Breakfast: O scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast, O a side of mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries. Lunch: O grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, avocado, chickpeas, and olive oil dressing, O a serving of quinoa. Snack: O a handful of walnuts and a small piece of dark chocolate. Dinner: O grilled salmon with steamed broccoli and roasted sweet potatoes. O a mixed green salad with olive oil and lemon dressing. Dessert, optional: O Greek yogurt with honey and chia seeds. Day 2. Breakfast: O oatmeal with chia seeds, flax seeds, and fresh strawberries, O a glass of fortified almond milk. Lunch: O lentil and vegetable soup with a side of whole grain crackers, O a small citrus salad, oranges, grapefruits, or kiwi. Snack: O sliced apple with almond butter. Dinner: O stir-fried tofu with bell peppers, zucchini, and quinoa, O a side of steamed asparagus. Dessert, optional: O a small serving of fruit salad. Final thoughts: a well-balanced diet rich in key nutrients is essential when preparing for a baby. By prioritizing foods that support your fertility and overall health, you create a strong foundation for conception and a healthy pregnancy. Don't forget to consult with your healthcare provider to ensure your diet is tailored to your specific needs. Thanks for watching.